Good morning everyone. Today we will discuss about Jayant Mahapatra, the great Indian poet. I am Rajni Meena, Assistant Professor, Government College Rawatwata. Jayant Mahapatra was an Indian English poet. He is the first Indian poet to win a Sahitya Academy Award for English poetry. He is the author of poems such as Indian Summer and Hunger, which are regarded as classics in modern Indian English literature. He was awarded a Padam Shri, the fourth highest civilian honor in India, in 2009. He returned the award in 2015 to protest against rising intolerance in India. Indian Poets Trio. Mahapatra was part of a trio of poets who laid the foundation of Indian English poetry. He shared a special bond with A.K. Ramanujan. Mahapatra is also different in not being a product of the Bombay School of Poets besides R. Parthasarathi. Over time, he has managed to carve a quiet, tranquil, poetic voice of his own, different from those of his contemporaries. Early life and education. Born into a prominent Odia Christian family, Mahapatra went to Stewart School in Cuttack, Odisha. He completed his MSc in physics from Patna University, Bihar. He began his teaching career as a lecturer in physics in 1949 and taught at various government colleges in Odisha, including Gangadhar Mehar College, Sambalpur, BGV College, Bhubaneswar, Fakir Mohan College, Balasore, and Ravenshaw College, Kotak. He superannuated at the Ravenshaw College, Kotak, now Ravenshaw University, and retired from his government job as the reader in physics in 1986. He began his writing career in the late 60s. His short stories and poems were initially rejected by several publishers until his poems were published in international literary journals. He was invited to participate in the international writing program at Iowa, which brought him international exposure. Literary works. Mahapatra has authored 27 books of poems, of which 7 are in Odia and the rest in English. His poetry volumes include Relationship, Bareface, Shadow, Space. Besides poetry, he has experimented widely with many forms of prose. He published books of prose include Green Gardener, an anthology of short stories, and Door of Paper, Easy, and Memoirs. Mahapatra is also a distinguished editor and has been bringing out the literary magazine Chandrabhaga. His poems have been appeared in prestigious poetry anthologies like The Dance of the Peacock, an anthology of English poetry from India published by Hidden Brook Press, Canada. Mahapatra has also translated from Oriya into English, and some of his translations are published in the bi-monthly literary magazine Indian Literature. Some anthologies of his translations have also been published. Award, recognition, and legacy. In 1981, Jayant Mahapatra won a Sahitya Academy for his book Relationship. He is also a recipient of the Jacob Gladstone Memorial award conferred by Poetry Magazine, Chicago. He was also awarded the Ellen Tate Poetry Prize for 2009 from the Shivani Review. He received the Sark Literary Award, New Delhi, 2009. He was conferred with a Padma Shri in 2009 and awarded an honorary doctorate by Ravenshaw University on 2nd May 2009. He was also awarded doctorate degree by Utkal University, Odisha in 2006. Interview: The Hindu Jayant Mahapatra, a doyen of Indian English poetry. So, this is the biography of Jayant Mahapatra. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please share, subscribe, and like my video. Thank you so much.